Hello everybody. I'm not sure if anybody on my channel knows this, but I am a twin. Today, me and my sister are off to London to have a little pre-birthday celebration. We've got a whole lovely day planned and I just thought I'd bring you with me. This is not work or live content, this is real life content, but I thought you guys might like to come. So I'm actually just prepping James's lunch because if I'm not here, the man will die. We protect him at all costs. I'm just making him a nice little tuna salad so he can have that while I am out and about. And then let's go. Alrighty, James, my very glamorous driver, is taking me to the train station, and so I thought I would just run through what the plan for the day is. So it's our birthday tomorrow and my sister actually has the whole week off work, but I do not have that lovely self-employed luxury. So we are heading into London today and I'm taking my sister. I've booked for us to go to a cat cafe. We both absolutely love all animals and Laura is actually desperate for a cat at the moment, and so I am just fueling that fire, being very, very irresponsible and encouraging her to get a cat. So we're going to a cat cafe. I've booked us an hour-and-a-half slot. It's like the birthday special. So we get like cat ears and cake and a drink, and I'm really, really excited. So I'm just heading, my sister lives in a different town to us, and we have this really amazing routine where she gets on a train and then the train comes past where we live and then I go on the train and then we head into London together. So let's go. I never want one of these. This is my house now. I'm pretty sure you can adopt the cats here, so you might have a problem. I wanted a cat before I came. This is not helping. I mean, it is helping, but it's not. Okay, what's happened so far? I'm having the best time I never want to leave. That's exactly what's happening. Laura's been Googling how to start your own cat cafe, so watch this space. Alright, it's the same day. We travelled back from London, I fell asleep, had a little power nap. We've ordered 2 different types of takeaway. We've got a Chinese and a pizza on the way. We did it through 2 different Just Eat accounts. I hit go exactly the same time, so we're currently having a race to see which gets here faster, the Chinese or the pizza. Me and Laura are having Chinese because it's our favourite takeaway ever. James and Scott are having pizza. Ed's having Chinese on top of pizza.
Hi, my name is Scott and I have ordered a tandoori chicken, pineapple, spicy beef, pepperoni pizza with barbecue dribble. Dribble sounds weird, drizzle maybe. And I put some Diablito Habanero Classica sauce on it. I mean, that went French at the end, but hey.
My name is James. I have what Scott had.
I've got chips, chicken balls, chicken chow mein, and chicken and mushroom, and curry sauce somewhere. I'm Rachel, and I had what Laura had.
My name's Ed. I ordered a meat feast pizza and beef chow mein, and I put the beef chow mein on top of the pizza.
Mash
Are
it.
we calzoning it?
I tried to,
can't
it
fold
won't
it
fit.
half.
I tried to calzone it, it won't fold. So I'm just going to have to eat it like that.
So we'll see you in 10 minutes to see what happens?
Yes.
We've been beaten. We've been beaten by Chinese food. But let me show you the current situation. So just snuggled up. We've got a blanket on, we've got the fire on, we've got the iPad, and yeah, we both love watching true crime content, so we're just having a little browse on YouTube trying to find a story that neither of us have seen before.
Which is quite difficult. We've seen all of them.
Yeah, it's really hard. Today's the day before our birthday, it's our birthday tomorrow, but we won't be spending it together, so we might try and extend the vlog into the birthday week. Hello! So I feel like the birthday day out vlog has actually turned into a birthday week vlog. I was actually posting some stuff on my Instagram stories this weekend, just asking people if they actually wanted to see more vlog content. I did Vlogmas last year and you guys loved it, but I nearly killed myself in the process. Like, it was just so hard. I think even for YouTubers who YouTube full-time, Vlogmas is still a whole thing. And yeah, I was trying to run a business and do Vlogmas and edit all of the videos myself, and it was a whole thing. So I really enjoy vlogs, and so I'm gonna be trying to release a weekly video on a Thursday and then a vlog every Tuesday. I'm not gonna put pressure on myself with the vlogs. I'm gonna like sort of take it a bit more chill, but it's definitely the sort of content that I consume myself, and so it's definitely the content that I love creating. Vlogging's really interesting because you guys end up seeing parts of our house that you've never seen before. So this is my little dressing room that I get ready in. If you've seen any of this in the background, this is actually my veil from our wedding. My wedding dress is getting dry cleaned. Like, I sent it off to a special place that dry clean it, make sure it's all really nice, because we went to the beach on our wedding day, so it definitely needed it. And then they put it into like a lovely like storage keepsake box that protects it, so you can basically just pop it straight in your loft, not worry about it for 20 years until your children want to try it on, and then you can get it back out again. Although doing that does mean that I can't just like wear it and eat ice cream in it every time I'm sad, which is an issue. Also, just going to acknowledge the fact that I was blonde in the last part of this video. Did I dye my hair brown? Yes. Was it intentional? No. I've had a situation, guys. I went to get my hair done for my birthday, on my birthday, as a little treat. I normally get Tasha, who is one of our employees, she's a qualified hairdresser, she does it, which I absolutely love. Firstly, there's no one I'd rather give my money to than her, but also she's really good. Like, she's very like deaf aware. I can just sort of take my hearing aids out and not worry about it, but I was like, no, it's my birthday, I'm gonna treat myself, you know, so I'm not like head over the bath, which I normally am with Tasha. I'm just gonna show you what I asked for. And I feel like you can tell I'm not confident with it because I'm pushing it behind my head, but this is what I ended up with. So I've had a bit of a crisis. I've done the unspeakable, which I feel like, you guys know me, you know that I'm a massive people pleaser. And so I actually did the unspeakable. And I messaged the hairdresser to be like, I'm really like, this is what I was going for, this is what it looks like now after I've washed it, like, what can we do? I've been really upset about it, to be honest, because going to the hairdresser is like a really big deal for me anyway. Like, I get really anxious and stuff because I have to take my hearing aids out, I can't hear anything. I've had it before where like you come out with something completely different to what you wanted, and so I always take pictures. I always try and be like really explicit with what I want. So I have messaged saying like, what can we do to get it to the colour that I wanted. So today is Sunday. Sunday is my favourite day of the week. Today is Sunday and we're flying to Mallorca on Tuesday night. And so today I just thought, it's actually really late. I showed you what I got up to this morning, just watching some Netflix and relaxing, and I baked some chocolate twists. Me and James had them in bed, spent loads of time on our phones, just relaxing. I cleared all my Instagram DMs, that's what I do when I'm relaxing. Cleared all my Instagram DMs, went through loads of notifications on my phone. I actually bought James's Christmas present this morning, so I'm really excited, but I don't want to say it in case he can hear me. The third load of laundry is on. We've just had a little bit of lunch. We're going out with a client slash friend. We met him as a client, but he's now our friend, for a Sunday roast later. And so I've basically got an hour before we have to leave, and I'm going to pack for Mallorca, so I thought you guys could come with me. Okay, I feel a bit overwhelmed and I don't know where to start. I am also, while I'm packing, continuing to watch the Dharma series that I was watching earlier. Sometimes I really do like just having something on like background noise. I think sometimes it helps me like not to overthink things as well. Like specifically with like packing and stuff, I can really overthink everything. And so I think sometimes if I'm watching something at the same time, it like stops my brain being too mad. So I'm just like halfway through packing, and I actually realised that I didn't tell you guys what I got for my birthday off the guys at work. I am so lucky, like I didn't really expect anything, and yeah, I'm just so grateful. So I thought I would show you guys what I got. So you all know me very well, and so you will understand how happy I am with this haul. And when I say haul, oh my gosh, like I don't even know how they did this. So first up, I got a lovely bath bomb set from Lush. They then got me loads of lovely like pamper stuff. So I've got lots of like under the eye patches, which I absolutely love. Pamper sesh. Again, perfect timing for a pre-holiday pamper sesh. I'm definitely going to do this either tomorrow night or Tuesday night before we go away. So love that. You know I am all sponsored by fluffy punny socks. Then got a lovely fluffy pink, accountancy pink blanket, which I've actually been working with it on my lap because we're not putting the heating on, everybody. We are not putting the heating on. And then I also got lots of chocolate, which I may or may not have eaten half of it already. The other half I have hidden from James, because unless I hide it from James, I will not see that chocolate. I think you will understand. Is this a nudie? Yes. Is it pink and white and purple? Yes. Is it fluffy? Yes. Is it too big? In a good way? Yes. Obsessed. Just so happy. It was like literally perfect. I'm quite a simple person to please, and they literally did everything. It was absolutely amazing. I'm procrastinating now. Like, you know when you're packing and you sort of go to an area of your wardrobe or something that you've not been to for a while, and then you like rediscover all of your wardrobe? That's basically what I'm doing. And I have to go because we need to go out for our dinner soon. Let's go. Oh my goodness, it's shut. Guys, I've done it. I've packed and it closes. The case closes. I'm back already because the only thing I haven't done, the mommy wallet.
Mommy wallet is all of our important documents because I'll lose them.
These are our brand new, hot off the press passports, which we had to get as an emergency because we forgot we were going on holiday, and we nearly didn't get to go on our honeymoon because they were so close to expiring. Olivia messaged me the other day, on Friday, once we checked in, being like, Rach, I think we should print off the boarding passes in case people's phone dies. I was like, do you think I am a psychopath? Do you think I would go on holiday without a boarding pass and be like, my phone will be fine? No, Olivia. I'm not mental. So this is the mommy wallet, and you can spot the other. Also, you don't have to be a parent. I am not a parent to have a mommy wallet. A mommy wallet is like, you know, when you're a kid and your mom's like, give me your passports back as soon as you get through the gate. They go in the wallet, and you can actually see all of the other mommies at the airport with their wallets. The question is, will I just be having mine and James's, or will I be having everybody's? I don't know. I cannot confirm that yet, but I will see you in the airport and I will let you know. It's couple karaoke! Where are we going?
Even loaded Ensham.
Ensham, Whitney, fancy. I actually thought we were going because we're friends. But James has just walked out of the house with his laptop and said, do you think I'd be going if it was a social event? So lovely time. We had such a lovely time. No one else was having a roast, so I don't want to have one on my own. But we did have 3 courses, so we had lots of lovely food. We were speaking about the business. We were speaking about just life, catching up. We did some QuickBooks training, ran through QuickBooks, ran through a couple of questions that they had, helped them to understand like balance sheet and profit and loss and all of the fun things. We're just hanging some laundry up, and then I think we're gonna head to bed. I've just realised that I didn't actually tell you what I did on my birthday. So on the day of my birthday, I had the best day ever. I went to work and pretended it wasn't my birthday, which for someone who's quite like anxious and actually doesn't really enjoy their birthday because there's a lot of pressure for you to have a nice day, that actually meant that I had a really nice day. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you subscribe to this channel, it really, really helps me as a creator to create more content like this for you. So thank you so much for spending some time with me today, and I hope to see you again very soon.